Okay, we are discussing about the unitary method yesterday.
Yes.
Unitary method is also proportionality only. Okay, by using proportional only, I am saying to you. So I have given this. Do this also, please. Page number 116. Next page number 117. There are some verbal problems are there. Examples are there. That also we will do in the same manner, but we have given long steps. But we are not using something that all steps. Only we are writing the headings table, headings, values, then proportional statement, then calculation. Okay, this is also like that only. See, a shopkeeper sells 6 eggs for 30 rupees. What should be the cost of 10 eggs? So see what are the headings you will write it? Say
Cost.
X, number of eggs, cost. What do you know in that?
X
6 eggs, 30 rupees. 10 eggs,
X.
so then you will write the statement, proportionality statement. What is that? 6 is to 10 is proportional to 30 is to X. Then product of means is equal to product of okay, then what will you do? You know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. You write the formula. After writing that, you will write x. You will take first. Means extremes first. Next means like this. Then we will write here 300. X. This 6 will be divided here. Then it is 6. Okay. So what I am going to say to you, this when you are writing for the exam, you write like this. That's all. Suppose only when you are going to say only answer, that is for objective question. Only answer you need to say. Then this lengthy process is no need to us. Only I will give an idea to you, you follow. So these all methods are no need. Direct answer we will write from the here. After writing this, we will write direct answer. X is equal to. How is that, you know? So simple, you follow the method what I am going to say. 6x 30 rupees, no? 10x will become more or less?
More.
6x 30 rupees. 10x more than this or less than this? More than this, no? Then here in this these are known, here one unknown is there. Where it is known, there more you are saying no, more by less you take. You are saying more.
Less.
Then what you have write? More by less. If you are saying less. Less by more. So here more by less means what values will come? 10 by 6. More 10. Less 6. In these two, we have to check in these two. And into here what is left here? Do the calculation. So you will get it. You understand? So without writing proportionality statement, formula, these all methods you don't need to write. Direct method I am saying to you. What is the direct method?
More.
So you will check it here. Are you getting more than this or less than this? If you are saying more than this, means what you will write here? More by less into that number. More by less into that number. You know the fraction multiplication? First cancellation. 6 ones are 6, 5. Then no chance, no. Numerators, denominators. Numerators are what here? 10 into 5, 50. 1 into 1, 1. So means what is the answer?
50
rupees. Okay, this is the way of doing unitary method problems directly without using formulas. So direct answer you can give. You understand?
Yes.
2, 3 problems you will solve, then you can understand it. So no need to write these all proportionality statement and these all. Always means when you are going to make it short, we will follow the short method. That time we will use it. Okay, next question you see there. 20 kgs of rice is needed for a family of 4 members. How many kgs of rice will be required if the number of members in the house increases to 10. What are the headings you will give? Here two quantities are there. Say what is it? Rice, family member. Can you find it or not? Sumaya, family member, quantity of rice. Search. Okay. Okay. Family members and rice. Now what do you know first? 4 family members are there. 20 kgs rice is needed. Now 10 family members are there. How much rice is needed? So what will happen? You know that we need more than this. That's why what you write? More by less. More by less into direct formula. So 4 nanja, 4 5 5 10 50. Okay. So you can follow this method also. Proportionality statement you can write and you can use the formula that all method. Otherwise, directly I can do it. You can.
We can find for 1 rupee one member.
That also you can. But that is wrong method, no. That is base method, not now. That is in 5th class, 4th class you will do like that. Actually, method is that only, but in 5th class, 4th class you will do that. When you are going to increase your age, you need to be doing short methods. Yes or no? Direct. So this is the direct method, you can give the answer. Okay, that is how unitary method means you will find for unit, means for 1, and then you will find for more. He gave for 4, no. First you will find for 1, then after you will find for more. That is what for 10. That we are not doing that method now. What are we doing now? Directly. Same calculation will come, but directly we are doing. Okay, next question you see that in the a jeep travels 90 kilometers in 3 hours at a constant speed. In how many hours will the jeep cover 150 kilometers? So what are the kilometers is there? Kilometers is called what? Distance. Kilometers is what it is called? Distance. And one more what is there? Time. Distance and time. Now what do you know? 90 kilometers traveling in 3 hours. 150 kilometers. So you know that for 90 kilometers 3 hours are needed. For 150 more than this, less than this. More than this. So that's why what answer you will write? More by less. It's 150 by 90 into 3. 0 0 ending zeros. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. Cancellations you understand? No, remember. Only top up and down. One number must be up, one number must be down. Same table when they are coming, you can cancel it. Now finally what are left here? 5 1s are 5, 1 1s are 1 is only 5. Okay. You understand or is there any doubt? This method will be useful to you for this total chapter. Just you need to try to understand the question and you need to make this sentence only, make this table only. So that is only difficult for you. After making table, method will be same. You understand? Now I am going to say discuss about the percentages. See, that is what cost price, selling price, business profit, loss, discount according to these calculations. After this we are going to discuss about the simple interest. Interest, somebody will give the money for interest in borrowing, that calculations. Every calculation is going to depend on this method only. Easy method it is. In this method, but only logic thing, first you have to find out how do you create this table. What do you know, what you have to find. Like that, if you create the table like this table, this headings and creation, then method is easy. Within single step you can find the answer. Okay, so this simply that much only how to enough. Okay, next question. Example number 7 in page number 119. The scale of map is given is 1:30,000. You know what is the meaning of mapping? I said before that world map, India map, just not simply roughly they didn't write. The measurements are very perfect. Measurements are in same look, etc. You know, same taste, same look. Models will be created same. Like that, maps also will create same look. So maybe here you can find the distance from Sangareddy to Delhi also by using map only you can find it. Road will be looked in the map. So that road how much is there with our scale we can measure it. With that the scale they will give it. According to by using the scale we can find the distance between the Sangareddy to Delhi. So means maps are that much perfect. Maps are very clear. They are following the scale and they will use. Scale means here scale is given. What is the scale? 1:30,000 means if you increase this 30,000 times, original map will come. Location, original location. Map is on the paper, no. That if you increase 30,000 times, that if you increase
30,000
times means you know the 2 times, 3 times, triple, 4 times like that. 30,000 times if you increase, what will form? Originality. Original place will form. So that's why you see all the maps are having the scales. You know in social subject map, zone, map book they have given no. See that in social textbook also map they will give in the book no. There one more corner, any one corner they will give the scale. The scale is given there. 1:20,000. 1 centimeter is equal to something. One like that something will be drawn right in the map compulsory. Sometimes 1:1 lakh also means 1 lakh times you have to increase. Because world map is there. World is more bigger than this map, no. That's why they have to take scale very large. Like that 1:1 lakh, 1:20 lakhs, like that also maps will be there. So that map according to the map they have. Suppose big map you are drawing, then scale will be decreased. 1:20,000 times, 1:50,000 times like that. So like that here the map scale is what? 1:30,000. Means here what is 1, what is 30,000? Can you say? Where is 1, where is 30,000? 1 and 30,000 given, no. Means that is only here. Like this headings we will create for this. One for what is 1, what is 30,000? Can you say? 1 is on map. 30,000 is original. You understand? 1 is on map. 30,000 is
original.
so means 1 centimeter if in the map is there. Originally how much it is? 30,000 centimeters. 30,000
centimeters.
You understand? You have taken the map here and you are finding from one place to another place how much distance is there. 1 centimeter is there. So means what is in the map actually? What is in the original? 30,000 centimeters that is. 30,000 centimeters means you know that 3 kilometers. 30,000 means you know 30,000 centimeters. 100 centimeters will become 1 meter. Means in 30,000 this is up to here meters. After meters only it is 300 meters only. 300 meters means not kilometer. Only it is only 300 meters. Okay, means 1 centimeter gap is there means what do you mean? What you have to think about that? 300 meters. 300 meters. 30,000 centimeters that is equal to 300 meters. So actually scale is 30,000 here. Okay. So means when the scale is given on the map like this, what should we do? We have to write. कल का काम दिया भाई एक वॉइस करो बोले कल साथ दिएगा चलो वो कंटिन्यू करो. So what you have right here? Map line. Map line, original line. That is the heading of the scale. So what you will say? If it is 1 centimeter, there it is 30,000 centimeters. That is the meaning of the scale. Then what has given you see here? Two cities are 4 centimeters. Two cities are 4 centimeters apart in the map. You understand what is the meaning of two cities? The distance between the two cities is how much?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. Then in original how much it is asking. You know the method no? Will you get more or less there?
More.
It is for 1. For 4 will you get more or less?
More.
More. That's what you write. More by less into 30 by 1 only no. So if you multiply here 1,20,000 came. So this is what? Centimeters no. 1,20,000 centimeters. Suppose he have given the meters here, you have write meters. If you give kilometers here, kilometers you can write. So you know that 100 centimeters will become 1 meter. Means 1,200 meters. You know 1,000 meters will become 1 kilometer. Means you see 1 kilometer 200 meters. The distance between the cities is 1 kilometer 200 meters. 1.2 kilometers it is. Okay, these are all example problems, but I have studied another manner for you. So that is what? Creating the headings and making the table. After making the table, we are using the method to find the missing value directly. Okay, then we will go for why this is there. You see page number 119. Place a liter empty bottle under the tap from which water is filling drop by drop. You understand? When the leakages are drop by drop are coming now. They place the 1 liter of empty bottle is same. How much time did they take to fill the bottle? You find it how much time. After keeping that, how much time is filling, you just check it. Is there any leakages in your home? No. Otherwise you do one thing. Light leakage you create not by damaging, just to lightly open it. And drop by drop water should fall. Then keep the 1 liter empty bottle under that and check the time. So to fill that 1 liter bottle, how much time it is taking, you check it. After that you find that how much water is wasting in 1 hour, 1 year. How much water is wasting in
1 year.
So can you find it? Same method you will follow. You are finding one calculation by practical no.
Yes.
That we will write top. What is that? Wasting water. Wasting water. That is how much? 1 liter. In what time? That is only you are finding no.
Yes. 1 hour.
Suppose you think it is 2 hours. Only 1 hour it will not be. 5 hours I think. In 5 hours 1 liter water will fill. Then you have to find it for what? What is it? For 1 year. 1 year means here we have to convert the year into hours. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 1 year is equal to how many hours means 365 into 24. You will multiply that, you will write in hours. So that is X. First, by practically you find this first line. Second line you find by using calculation. Okay, this is the project work. What is this? Yesterday I think one more project work have you know. These 2 project work. So because practically we are taking no, do it practically and then write it. Okay. Second one is here. Take a clock and fix this minute's hand at 12. Take a clock and fix this minutes at 12. Hands up there, no? Hours and minutes hand. Then is asking now the angles. In 15 minutes, what is the angle will form? 15 minutes. Right angle, 90 degrees will form. For 30 degrees, then he is asking you. For 30 degrees, how much angle will form? That is in number you say.
180
180 degrees. In 45 minutes, you count it. In number you say, man. 170. In 30 minutes only 180. In 45 minutes 170. 360. In 15 minutes 90 degrees. In half an hour, actually 15 hours, 1, 2, 3 like this only. 15 minutes, half an hour 180. 45 minutes 270. 1 hour 0 angle.
complete angle.
This angle 0 angle, but this is complete angle is how much? 360 degrees. You write the table here. Fill the table. After filling that, you observe that. Find the ratio of these values. 30 minutes 90 degrees. 45 minutes 180 degrees. Next, sorry, 15 minutes 90. It is 180. 45 270. 60 360. So do they are they in proportion? We need to find. How do you change say they are in proportion or not? That is what this two we will take. What is that? 15 is to 90. 30 is to 180. We will take this both. How do you find? Means and extremes. Now what it is 90 into 2700. 15 zeros are 0. 15 eights are 120. 15 ones are 15 and 12. Proportion what? Is it or not? Like that also you can find. Otherwise ratios you can find and you can prove they are equal. No. So you see here 15 ones are 15 six are 1 is to 6. 30 ones are 36 are 1 is to 6. So 45 ones are 45 6 are 1 is to 6. 60 ones are 66 6 are. So every time we are getting 1 is to 6 1 is to 6 1 is to 6. Means ratios are equal means there is proportion. We have two methods to prove. We can prove ratios are equal. Otherwise we will prove this method. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Okay? Okay, these all you write that in the notebook and answer them and come to the question number exercise 3, page number 120, exercise 3. So these are unitary problems only are there. I will explain to you, you do as home. So take the first bit. A length of bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeters. You understand? What is the meaning of that? Bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeters. Means in a length of 5 centimeters, in a length of 5 centimeters, the bacteria will be enlarged. Means bacteria, you know how the bacteria will be there. Bacteria is very invisible, like corona. Virus, bacteria, they are invisible. No, this bacteria, how the bacteria will develop? So this is a bacteria. Means you know, human beings. These are the population is going to be increased. No, like that. Bacteria increasing within seconds, within minutes, within days. How they will increase? No, one bacteria will be made into two. Two will be become 4. 4 will become 8. 8 will become 16. 16 will become 32. 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048. Starting it is very increasing lessly, but last time we will go for 1 crore. Next day 2 crores. Next day 4 crores. Next day 16 crores. Next day like that it will increase. So he is saying like that in 5 centimeters gap it can enlarge up to 50,000 times. 50,000 times. Times means you know that. Into. Not by adding 50,000 times it will be going to increase. So means in 5 centimeters it is increasing 50,000 times. What is the question here? If the length is enlarged 20,000 times only, then what is the length? 2 centimeters. Directly you can say, otherwise is the method no. What is the method? Table you write it. Length to times. In 5 centimeters, 50,000 times. 20,000 times means here what will be there? X. Is it or not? Can you write like that? Okay, homework, fix that. Second one, they have given the tables here. Can you find are they in proportion? There are tables are there here. X to Y. 20, 40, 17, 34, 14, 28. Like the tables are given now. So what should we do? We have to find are they in proportion or not means we have two methods. One method is finding ratios and prove they are equal. Otherwise, product of extremes. But there is a long method no, because so many are there no. So find the ratios of all. 20 is to 40. What is the ratio?
1 is to 2.
What is the 1 is to 2. Second one.
17, 34.
You do one thing. You make the table for this in your notebook. This is what? X to Y. So we are going to find X is to Y. Ratios we are finding. 17 is to 34.
1 is to 2.
1 is to 2. 17 1 is 72 is. Like that find all. If you are finding all ratios are equal, what can you say? They are in proportion. If not equal, they are not in proportion. Okay, two problems you do know. What is the third question? Shushma has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometers. So 1 centimeter is becoming 18 kilometers. So map, you understood? This is a map scale is said. Map scale means I said already before that. What are the headings will come? Map length, original length. What is the map length? 1 centimeter. Then what is the original length?
18 kilometers.
18 kilometers. Now what we are given question? She drives on the road for 72 kilometers on road. Means this one or that one? Right side. 72 kilometers. Then what did she ask there? What should be map distance covered in map? Map length you need to find. You can say it now. Alright. Write the headings and find the answer. After that, see the fourth question. This is also practical one. Draw the 5 squares in the graph paper. Draw 5 squares in the graph paper. Graph book is, you have seen the graph book, no? You think now there is no graph book with us, but left hand side is one more page. We can get some like graph book on, You think one box is centimeter box, but it is not centimeter actually, but you think it. You think one is 1 centimeter box. So you just create the square here. Draw the square here. Can you draw one square? So I am drawing like this. So here five boxes I have taken one side. Means other side also? 5. That only square, no? Is it or not? One square I have taken like this. After taking square, this side fill the box. What is the first length of the side? 5? Very good. 5 centimeters. Perimeter. Do you know how to find out the perimeter?
4 sides and 51.
5, 5, 5, 5. Around the shape length, no? So how much you got it? 20. So you write here 20 centimeters. Next, area. Area means what? How many boxes it covers is called area. How many boxes it occupied? 25 boxes it occupied, no? That's what is the area? 25. Area we will show in centimeter square. 25 square centimeters. Like that you fill. Second square you draw yourself. Write the measurements. Third square you draw yourself. Write the measurement. Fourth square you draw. Here, boxes are there, no? Here you draw the square. Only square shape only, not rectangle. Square only. Draw the square. Then fill this table. After filling this table, you have to check whether perimeter and side are in proportion or not. Perimeter and first one and second one. First one is what? Length of side and perimeter are in proportion or not. How do you check are in proportion or not? Because we have done here in table. What have done? Ratios we follow. What should we find? We have to find the ratio of this 5 and 20. And this number, this number. Ratio separate you find it. After finding the ratios, are they proportional or not, you find it. Then one more question is what? Length of side is proportional to area or not? Length of side is proportional to
area.
Means which now we have to find out the ratio for first box and third. First one and third. What is that? 5 is 25. 5, 25. 5 is to 25. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. Means 1 is to 5. For the next one, for the next one, for the next one. If you are getting all the areas are same, then means all the ratios are same in proportion. Not same, not in
Proportion.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Do now.
Sir, we can take any measurement.
Your wish.
Of square.
Your wish. Their boxes are there. How much is possible to you? Big one, small one. That is your wish.